For most of human history, the ocean was known only at its surface, where ships crossed familiar routes and coastlines marked the edges of the known world, while everything below remained distant, dark, and largely untouched by direct observation. Even today, despite advances in technology and exploration, the deepest parts of the ocean remain among the least explored places on Earth, not because of a lack of curiosity, but because of the immense pressure, darkness, and scale that define the deep sea. As depth increases, sunlight fades quickly, and within just a few hundred meters, the ocean enters a realm where light no longer penetrates, creating an environment shaped almost entirely by pressure, temperature, and slow-moving currents rather than visual cues. Below this point, the water grows steadily colder, and the weight of the ocean above becomes immense, exerting pressure so great that it challenges even the strongest materials designed for exploration. One of the deepest known regions of the ocean lies within vast trenches formed by the slow movement of tectonic plates, where sections of Earth's crust bend downward over millions of years, creating long, narrow depressions that descend far beyond the surrounding seafloor. These trenches are not isolated features, but part of a global system that reflects the constant motion of the planet itself, quietly reshaping the ocean floor over geological time. Despite their size, much of these deep regions have been visited only briefly, often for just hours at a time, leaving large areas observed through indirect measurements rather than direct exploration. In many cases, scientists rely on sonar mapping and remote sensing to understand the shape of the seafloor, producing detailed outlines while leaving the fine details largely unknown. As exploration tools improved, researchers began discovering that the deep ocean is not empty or inactive, but home to life forms adapted to conditions once thought uninhabitable. These organisms survive without sunlight, relying instead on organic material drifting down from above or on chemical energy released from the Earth's interior, forming ecosystems that operate on entirely different principles than those at the surface. Some of the most surprising discoveries came from regions near hydrothermal vents, where heated water, rich in minerals, escapes from the seafloor, supporting communities of life that thrive in extreme temperatures and crushing pressure. These environments revealed that life can persist in stable balance even under conditions far removed from those humans experience, expanding scientific understanding of what makes life possible. Beyond biology, the deepest parts of the ocean play an important role in regulating Earth's systems, acting as long-term storage for heat, carbon, and nutrients that move slowly through global circulation patterns. These deep waters can remain isolated for centuries, quietly influencing climate and ocean chemistry long after surface conditions have changed. Despite these discoveries, exploration remains limited, not because there is nothing left to find, but because reaching extreme depths requires careful planning, specialized equipment, and long periods of observation that are difficult to sustain. Many regions have been mapped only once or twice, leaving scientists with snapshots rather than continuous records of change. As technology advances, new exploration methods continue to reveal subtle processes occurring in the deep ocean, from slow-moving currents to faint soundscapes shaped by distant geological activity. These discoveries suggest that the deep sea is not a static environment, but one defined by gradual motion and quiet interaction, unfolding at a pace that often escapes immediate notice. In this way, the deepest parts of the ocean serve as a reminder that some of Earth's most important systems operate beyond human sight, influencing the planet steadily and persistently, rather than through sudden or dramatic events. As exploration continues, much of the deep ocean remains largely unknown, offering a vast frontier where understanding grows slowly, shaped by patience, observation, and respect for an environment that exists far beyond everyday experience.